Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's METXRO. And today, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with an live chat video. So today we are on the pair USDJPY. And today, man, I'm looking at, like I said, USDJPY. And today, we got this little demand set up here. Just tapped into this. So I think once the break above the candle, I'm gonna get in. So we're just gonna see, man. You guys do know I love breaking in. Well, not whoa. Okay, I know I said I love breaking in, but y'all know what the fuck I meant. That sounds really bad. I'm not gonna lie, that sounds really fucked up. Um, all right, so we in right there. I don't know if I want to just target this high or I want to go for a little something a little higher. You know, I don't know. My lot sizes are not like all the way there. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, that's yeah. So we just gonna see, man. We just here to see and observe, and hopefully get a win. That's all we trying to do right now, man. Just get a win, get a nice little win, and go to bed. Now the question is, can we do that? I don't know. I do not know, bro. Stops below the candle, and yeah. So the 1 to 2 would be like right up here, damn near at the top of what I was really trying to go for. So, hey man, um, hopefully this plays out nice. We gonna let this trade rock, and I see this little supply zone right here. I definitely will be. If we are able to get up here, I will be monitoring this area. Like, I'll be watching the area. So hopefully we can keep, going up and pushing up to the upside. But if not, then we just take our L. Simple as that. But hey, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Damn. On the intro though, bro. On the intro though, bro. On the intro though, bro. You can't like, hey UJ, look, hey UJ, look, like you a nice little pair. I say this every time, cause I really mean it from the heart. Like, you a nice little pair, you beautiful, you know. Hey man, just go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Keep going to the upside. I believe, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I checked all the time frames. We are above the S200 SMA. 15, the hour, and as well as the 4 hour. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's the 4 hour. So, hey man, hopefully we can win this trade. This will be a nice little trade to win. I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, we gonna see. Did it tap into that? It did. Oh, ooh, that looks ugly as shit. What the fuck? Yeah, no, that looks. Uh, we just gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. I think if it breaks below this, I may look to get out. Cause I ain't gonna lie, on this wick that we're on, the candle we're at right now, I would really like it to break above. Cause we've been wicking out on previous candles, and I'm not a fan of these wicks. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I want to just push up and break above these wicks and continue to take out the highs, break above the highs. So if we could do that, that'd be nice. But I ain't gonna lie, if we break below this candle right here that we're at right now, the 1 minute candle, after having this like decent amount of momentum, I'm getting out. I'm sorry. I'm not even sorry. Who the fuck am I apologizing to? But yeah, man, this trade, just let this trade run. Hopefully do what it do. And hopefully it break above this supply zone. So if it doesn't, I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not a market fuck. I'm stuttering and shit. But this could be a nice little W pattern though. I'm seeing right now. Keyword could be. I'm not saying that it will be, but you know it could be, because you know we got the little yin, 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 and then hopefully this candle can give us the motherfucking yaminer and just push up, you know, all the way up here by the grace of God. Hopefully, but you know we just gonna have to see. Just gonna have to see, man. I'm really hoping that it breaks above this, though. I ain't gonna lie. I do not want to see it respect this. So zone right here, but looks like it, cause yeah, cause I don't know. Yeah, we got that right there though, and then we also, besides this zone, we also got another little area that I could low key got marked up right there. Just tapped into that, and hopefully that this played out. Hopefully it created a nice little zone. Hopefully we can tap into this zone and continue to push up and not respect this supply. You know, hopefully we respect this, you know, this little zone right here, and just continue to push up, and hopefully we can get a win. That's all I'm trying to do, man. Just try to get a win. That's it. That'd be nice, you know. Go to bed with a win. I mean, you know, that would be nice. It would be amazing. Not nice. It would be amazing. So, hey man, if you guys want to join the free trading Discord, you know, make sure to click the link in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? I got a little trading Discord that you know, filled with all type of traders. You know, beginners, intermediate traders, master traders, shit, crackhead traders. You see me. So yeah, man. Join a little Discord, bro. It's lit up in there. I ain't gonna lie. You know, we just be vibing in there, catching trades. I got a whole bunch of what's it called? You know, this is a little setup. You know, you got the little trading chat, the winning setups chat. You know, education chat. You know, we got an education section for the people who know, you know, just starting out. You know what I'm saying? Trying to learn Forex and shit. You know what I'm saying? You tired of robbing old people. You know, you tired of robbing old people for their oatmeal cream pies and shit. You know, you trying to make a living off this. So yeah, man, we got, you know, we ain't got no crazy shit up in the education chat, but it's something to get you started though. You feel me? So if we are able to break above on this 5 minute, like break above this current candle and push up, then I will move my stop loss down here. But I think either way it go, yeah, I think either way it go, if it low key come back down here, I think I'm gonna get out, because it should be no reason that we're retesting the zone twice. So hopefully we can continue push up and break above this supply zone, and yeah, hopefully we can get it done, man. So we just gonna watch, we're gonna see, and just try to stick to the plan, and hopefully get a win, you know. And also, man, if you guys are interested in the way I trade, I do sell a small little course, you know, link in the description down below. If you don't want to buy it, then I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it, bro. It's all good. I understand. I don't give a shit. If you don't want to buy it, it's all good, you know. It's not like if you don't buy that motherfucker, I can't pay rent, you know. Maybe I can't, so buy that motherfucker. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, I think it just made oh yeah, it just made a high on that. Yeah, it broke above it, so yeah, stops are definitely right below this candle, and hopefully we can continue to go up. Hopefully. So we just gonna wait. We gonna wait, see. It do look a little hesitant, but it's we gonna let it cook. We gonna let it cook. You know what I'm saying? We gonna turn it on. So we gonna turn the motherfucking stove on medium. You know, and let that motherfucker cook. You know, it sound like we talking about some drugs, but I promise you, YouTube, I do not do drugs. I do not condone drugs. I think drugs are very bad for the fucking world. So don't do drugs. I almost called y'all niggas. Forgot almost all y'all aren't niggas, but wiggers and niggas. You know. You feel me? So damn, it's like really struggling to break above this shit. I'm not fucking with it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. How much? Okay, so we just got in the Okay, so yeah, if it break above this, cause I really wanted to just break above and just keep pushing up. But then again, I gotta, keep my little mind in here. So yeah. Okay. That's a good that's what I like to see right there. That's what I like to see. That's exactly what I like to see, and hopefully we can keep pushing up and complete this W pattern. Um, and just just get a nice little win, man. That's all we hoping for. So 30 minutes, we just checking time frames. That's the trade going. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to just sit here and just look fucking stupid. Like y'all just look at me all day. I'm not trying to look stupid. But 5 minutes looking nice though, bro. Not gonna lie. So yeah, I think I'm gonna I'm stop my stops are at break even. In my head they're at break even. I don't really like trading with a actual stop loss. But I don't really trade. I don't have nothing against a stop loss. I just don't. For the longest, I've just been trading without one. So don't be mad at me. Yeah, that's damn. We almost all right. Yeah, so up here is like yeah. So can we go for like 50? I think we can. I feel like we can go for 50, man. I ain't gonna lie. Let me check the 1 minute. Ooh. Yeah, I hate when I enter the wrong lot size on the trade, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This shit is low, bro. Like my lot size on this is low as shit, but like we're catching a good ass move, bro, but it's just low as hell. I'm not gonna lie. But hey man, this is a nice little candle. Beautiful little candle. So we just gonna wait, bro. Just gonna wait, man. So hopefully just keep pushing up. And we can lock in and get a win, man. That'll be amazing. But alright, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I heard a song on the TV and I was like, yo, what the fuck? I haven't heard that fucking song since like 1989 in this motherfucker. You feel me? Like brought me back to the old days. All right, let me hop on the 1 minute just to make sure, just to look at some shit. All right, all right, all right. Well, we did just get a fire ass candle. Mm, it's like one of the moments. It's one of the moments where you could either let it run or be content with profits. I'm not gonna lie. And I definitely thought about taking it up here. I should have low key, but we gonna let it run though, bro. We gonna let it run. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely thought about taking it up here though. This was my original TP, like all the way up here, but we just gonna try to let it run and just hopefully get back up here though. Hopefully it can remain to get back up here. And cause what I'm looking at right here, I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. I got you. I'm gonna just draw this out real quick. Hold on. Let y'all see. I'm trying to get my camera out the way, but we got this little 5 minute zone right there. As you can see, this is where this is where my 5 minute zone came from. We got some rejections up here. We tapped into that. I low key should have been paying attention to that and realized where we were at, and that's my fault for not realizing that. So, um, yeah, I should have realized that. That's 100% me. I'm not gonna lie, that's me for sure. Cause we had hella momentum. We had hella momentum. We just gonna see, bro. We just gonna see. I think we got news at like 8 o'clock. Yeah, like 8 o'clock. What the hell? Is that a gap? Yeah, I know y'all see this little gap right here, like in between. So I'm hoping we could retest this area on this candle right here. But I don't know, but this shit moving weird though. I'm not gonna lie to you. We got, man. Today Wednesday, bro. Today Wednesday, dog. I don't know. We getting up there though. We retesting the area again. I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm getting out. I'm content with that. You know, sometimes you just gotta know when to be content with profits, bro. Like I'm not trying to be greedy. Today Wednesday. I'm not gonna sit up here and say I trade Wednesdays. Well, I don't trade Wednesdays, but I do have a past experience of blowing accounts on Wednesdays, like you know way back then. So, hey, bro, I'm content with what the market just gave me. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm just thankful for the win. So, this was a like, and the reason it was just the market was just like freezing. Like you know, you if you fuck, goddamn, just spit it the fuck out. If you saw, you saw, bro. But hey, that was a fucking fuck. That was a beautiful ass trade. I think I got up like around here. Stops were right there. So yeah, it was like a 1 to 2, almost a 1 to 3 if everything is marked up how it should be right here. So yeah, like I said, this is just a nice little small little order block. Some people call it supply and demand, order block, whatever you want to call it. I mean not supply and demand, a demand level or order block that I had drew up, you know. That's one confirmation, you know, the way it rejected off of it. Two is we are in an uptrend. We're above my SMA. And you know, it's just that simple, bro. And like I saw this right here, but I didn't really want to use it as a confirmation, but you know, it was just a little some, you know, to just, you know, give me an extra little boost into the trade. So it's just a little quick and easy trade, bro. I'm not finna sit up here and y'all see I ain't got no indicators on my motherfucking shit except for my SMA. That's it. That's literally it. But this trade was a beautiful ass trade. Um, I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely one of the setups I teach in my little course and shit. So I can't really say too much on that, but just know if you got the course, you know. So I don't know how long this fucking video is. Hopefully this motherfucker is not the span of the fucking end game, or you know the what the fuck is that shit called? That Marvel movie? What's that shit called? Um, is that Endgame or is that Endgame? Probably Endgame. That motherfucker was like 4 hours long. But I got my nigga. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man. This is just a beautiful setup. This definitely took a little bit, and I definitely should have had put more on my lot sizes. But hey, bro, at the end of the day, if we still gotta win, I'm continuing with the markets. I'm finna take my ass to bed. I'm just keep it up with y'all. I'm not finna go on a fucking jog or, you know, I'm not living the Forex lifestyle yet, bro. I'm still in the fucking hood. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna go nap, and enjoy my day, bro. Enjoy my day, man. So, hey, man, hopefully y'all have a great rest of y'all day. And, yeah, bro. You gonna click off the video? Like, damn, you do this every time. You always stay towards the end of the video like I'm gonna give you a prize or some shit. I'm not giving you shit, bro. I'm not giving you nothing at all.